Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to explore a useful feature in Firefox Nightly on mobile that helps you manage your tabs automatically. If you often forget to close tabs, this feature can save you time. First, open the Firefox Nightly browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three-dot menu icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, find the section labeled Tabs and tap on it to open Tab Settings. Under the Close Tabs option, you will see several choices including After 1 day, After 1 week, and After 1 month. Choose the option that best fits your browsing habits. Once selected, Firefox Nightly will automatically close your tabs according to the time interval you set. This feature ensures that your browser stays clean and organized without you having to manually close old tabs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.